Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and this is my channel where you're gonna learn how to draw easy and step by step. Today we're doing a cute bee. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I will use crayons, and something to draw with. I'm using a black marker, but you can change this for pencil. Let's start on the top of the paper. We're gonna do an oval shape, and this oval shape is big. And I'm gonna start going to the left. And now I'm gonna go around and go back to the right. Now let's close this oval, connecting on the top. There. The next thing is the body. And the body is coming from the half point here to the oval shape. So let's put a little dot. Okay, and I'm gonna connect to this other side. So my letter U is gonna be big for this body. It's gonna be around. And now I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna connect to the head. There. Let's do the lines that go inside this big letter U. And I'm gonna go from left to right, okay? So let's start going up and we're gonna do these lines curve. Okay, I'm gonna leave a finger space here. And I'm gonna do another one. The same thing, it's following the same direction. Let's do one more, so I'm leaving again a finger space. And I'm going up. Just like that. And let's do one more, okay? So I wanna leave again, kind of like a finger space and do one more, right here. Now I wanna do on the bottom a triangle shape for the hornet. Good. Let's continue with the wings. And the wings are gonna be two big letter U shapes, okay? So these letter U's are upside down. And let's start from this point going up. And then let's go back down and close it. Now let's go in behind, kind of like starting here from his head and going down and connected to the other wing right here. For the eyes, I'm gonna do two big oval shapes. So I'm gonna do my oval shape right here. And if you wanna change the eyes of your bee, that's okay, you can do that. I'm gonna do mine oval shapes and then I'm gonna do a big smile. And now let's color these oval shapes with black, okay? There. Let's continue with the top part. I'm gonna do the antennas. So the antennas are gonna be curved lines that go one to the left, and let's finish the antenna with a circle on at the end, okay? Now let's go to the right and let's do another circle right here, and that's it. The last step is gonna be the little legs. So we're gonna do 4. The first one is coming from behind his body, and I'm just gonna do a curved line to go down, and I'm passing the marker twice. The next one is here inside his body, and if he crosses the lines, that's okay. Now let's do one more here in the back on the bottom, and we're gonna do one more on the bottom also, but on the front. And this one is gonna cross some lines, that's okay. And there, that's it. We finished this bee. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope it was easy for you. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to see more lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!